Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Find the remainder of this division. Now here we'll have to perform polynomial division. Now let's write this 5x square minus 2x cube plus 3. Let's arrange this polynomial in the standard form. So we get minus 2x cube plus 5x square plus 3. Standard form is where the highest degree is written in first place. The second polynomial is x square minus 4 minus 2x. When we write this in standard form, what do we have? We have x square minus 2x minus 4. Now we can easily perform division without missing out any terms. So let's see. Minus 2x cube plus 5x square plus 3 divided by x square minus 2x minus 4. Now in order to divide this, the first term here is minus 2x cube. So we'll multiply this polynomial with minus 2x so that the first term will be eliminated. So minus 2x into x square is minus 2x cube. Minus 2x into minus 2x is plus 4x square, and minus 2x into 4 is plus 8x. Now this we will subtract. When we subtract it, this will change signs. So 2x minus 2x cube minus 2x cube will be eliminated, 0. Plus 5x square minus 4x square is plus x square. Plus 3, no, 8x is written as it is, minus 8x and plus 3. Now the next is to eliminate this x square, first term. So in order to eliminate this x square, we'll have to multiply with 1. This x square will be eliminated. So 1 into x square is x square, 1 into minus 2x is minus 2x, 1 into minus 4 is minus 4. So now this is eliminated. X square minus x square 0, minus 8x plus 2x is minus 6x, and plus 3 plus 4 is plus 7. Now this cannot be this cannot be divided any further because this polynomial has greater degree than this one. So let's see, our remainder here is remainder minus 6x plus 7. So answer is option C.